Welcome to today's video, where we are going to dive into a very interesting problem regarding template functions in C++. The problem in hand involves the scenario where two template functions differ only in the type of a non-type template parameter. This has caused some discrepancies in behavior between MSVC and GCCClang compilers, leading to confusion among developers. Now, let's discuss the solution to this intriguing problem. According to the C++ specifications, it is indeed allowed to have two template functions that differ only in the type of a non-type template parameter. However, for these two functions to be considered corresponding overloads, their signatures, template heads, and requires clauses must be equivalent. In this case, the types E1 and E2 are different, making the two declarations of the functions have inequivalent template heads. Therefore, they do not correspond and declare two different overloads of the function. In summary, the ambiguity error in MSVC for this scenario is a bug, and using scoped enumerations, enum-class, is a valid workaround to ensure proper compilation across different compilers. It's fascinating how subtle differences in code can lead to such varied behaviors in different compilers. Remember, coding is full of surprises and challenges, but understanding the intricacies of the language can help navigate through them successfully. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting tech discussions, like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment below with your thoughts on this template function dilemma. Until next time, happy coding!